Binigyan ng Estados Unidos ng lisensya ang Ukraine para gumawa ng armas. Ibig sabihin, maaari nang gumawa ang Kiev ng sarili nitong Patriot missiles. Si NJ de Guzman para sa balita.
Nais nang tapusin ng Estados Unidos ang gera sa pagitan ng Russia at Ukraine. Ayon kay US President Donald Trump, bibigyan niya ng lisensya ang Kiev na gumawa ng sarili nitong Patriot missiles.
So one of the things we're going to be talking about is we're going to give a license to you to make Patriots. That's pretty cool, right? This way you can't complain that we're not giving them enough. I say, make them yourself.
Ang Patriot missile system ay isa sa pinaka-advanced na air defense system sa mundo. Ginagamit ito para ma-detect, masundan at maharang ang paparating na mga banta bago pa abutan ng targets. Ilang ulit na hinihingi ni Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky ang naturang US-made interceptors na kayang pabagsakin ang ballistic projectiles. Dahil sa high velocity at steep flight path ng mga ito, mahirap silang pabagsakin. Ayon kay Trump, kapwa difficult sina Zelensky at Russian President Vladimir Putin.
We've settled a lot of wars, and this one is the one that I thought maybe would be the easiest. But Putin's a difficult character, and this guy's a difficult character.
Ayon kay Zelensky, nais niyang talakayin ang ilang mahalagang mga detalye kay Trump.
I'm sure that you will do everything to solve this war.
Nitong mga nakaraang buwan, pinalakas ng Moscow ang air war nito laban sa Ukraine, bunsod ng pag-atake ng Kiev sa Russian military logistics at oil industry, lumala ang kakulangan sa langis sa bansa.
The Russians are finding it more difficult to defend their own airspace, and what we hope that means is that it's going to create the space now to negotiate the end of this war.
It's an escalation, but it's also an escalation that can help lead to an end.
NJ de Guzman, Net25 Americas, para sa mata ng Agla International, trusted, connected, on point.